Have you ever thought about how you eat? Not just what you eat, but how you experience it? Welcome to the world of mindful eating, a concept that takes the simple act of eating and transforms it into a profound experience of connection and enjoyment. It's not about strict diets or calorie counting. Instead, it's about engaging all your senses, listening to your body's hunger cues, and making intentional and satisfying food choices. It's about experiencing the vibrant colors, the varied textures, and the rich flavors of your food. It's about slowing down, savoring each bite, and truly appreciating the nourishment your food provides. It's about distinguishing between physical hunger and emotional cravings, choosing nourishment over mindless munching. But above all, mindful eating is about transforming your relationship with food, from mere consumption to a profound, enjoyable experience. So, are you ready to embark on this journey towards a healthier, more mindful you? Now let's delve into the core principles of mindful eating. The first principle is about recognizing true hunger. This involves learning to differentiate between physical hunger and emotional or boredom-driven urges to eat. Tune into your body's signals and question whether you're reaching for a snack out of necessity or simply out of habit. It's about understanding that not every craving stems from a genuine need for nourishment. The second principle is about responding appropriately to your hunger cues. Once you've identified true hunger, the next step is to choose foods that are both nourishing and satisfying. This doesn't mean you have to deprive yourself or stick to a rigid diet. Instead, it's about selecting foods that fulfill your nutritional needs and desires, leading to a more balanced and healthy diet. Moving on, the third principle is engaging your senses. Mindful eating isn't just about what you consume, but also about how you consume it. Pay close attention to the colors, textures, smells, and tastes of your food. This not only enhances your dining experience, but also helps you appreciate the complexity and richness of the food you're eating. The final principle we'll discuss is the art of eating slowly. Take your time with each bite, chewing thoroughly, and savoring the flavors. This practice not only improves digestion, but also signals to your body when you're full, reducing the likelihood of overeating. Remember, it's not a race to the finish line, but a journey to be enjoyed. By embracing these principles of mindful eating, recognizing true hunger, responding appropriately, engaging your senses, and eating slowly, you're well on your way to transforming your relationship with food. It's about making the act of eating a conscious, intentional process, one that brings joy and nourishment instead of guilt or regret. By listening to your body and savoring your food, you can begin to experience the benefits of mindful eating. This is not a quick fix, but a lifestyle change that can lead to improved digestion, increased satisfaction, and a deeper connection to your food. So take a deep breath and let's embark on this journey together. Your path to mindful eating starts here. You might wonder how to integrate mindful eating into your daily life. It doesn't require drastic changes overnight. Indeed, the journey towards a mindful eating practice is a gradual one, filled with small steps, each leading to a more profound and fulfilling relationship with food. The first step is to create a distraction-free environment. This means turning off the television, putting away your phone, and creating a calm and tranquil atmosphere for your meals. By eliminating distractions, you allow yourself to fully focus on the food in front of you, engaging all your senses in the process. This doesn't just enhance your dining experience, but also encourages you to appreciate the complexity and richness of your food. Now, before you begin eating, take a moment to check in with yourself. Ask yourself, am I genuinely hungry? And what food is my body craving? These questions may seem simple, but they are powerful tools in helping you make more intentional food choices. By recognizing your body's hunger cues and understanding its needs, you can choose foods that are both nourishing and satisfying. Next, remember to chew thoroughly. Chewing is an often overlooked aspect of eating, but it plays a crucial role in digestion. Beyond this, it also slows down your eating pace, allowing you to savor each bite, to fully immerse yourself in the flavors and textures of your food. As you chew, notice the subtle changes in taste, the way the texture evolves, and how this process enhances your overall eating experience. Finally, bear in mind that mindfulness is not a destination, but a journey. There may be days where you find it challenging to eat mindfully, and that's okay. The key is to be patient with yourself, to keep trying, and to remember that each small step brings you closer to a more mindful and enriching eating experience. Remember, small, gradual changes can lead to significant transformations in your relationship with food. As you embark on this mindful eating journey, you'll find that it's not just about changing how you eat, but also about transforming how you perceive and appreciate food. It's about transforming consumption into an enriching, enjoyable experience. So take your time, savor every bite, and let the journey towards mindful eating enrich your life. So why practice mindful eating? What are the benefits? Well, mindful eating has a multitude of benefits that extend beyond just the dining table, impacting our overall well-being. Firstly, it can lead to improved digestion. When we eat mindfully, we take our time with each bite, chewing thoroughly and savoring the flavors. This slow pace not only enhances our dining experience, but also aids digestion by breaking down the food more efficiently. Secondly, mindful eating can increase satisfaction. By fully engaging with the eating experience, savoring each bite, and appreciating the complexity and richness of our food, we tend to find more satisfaction in smaller portions. This heightened sense of satisfaction can help in managing weight and reducing binge eating tendencies. Finally, mindful eating fosters a deeper connection to food. It encourages us to appreciate the quality of the food we consume, the effort that went into preparing it, and the nourishment it provides our bodies. This deeper connection can lead to healthier food choices as we become more attuned to our body's needs and desires. Indeed, mindful eating is much more than a diet or a trend. It's a holistic approach to eating and living, one that can enhance our physical and mental health, bring joy and appreciation to the simple act of eating, and even transform our relationship with food. So, why not give it a try? Start small, maybe with just one meal a day, and gradually incorporate more mindfulness into your meals. Remember, it's not about perfection, but about progress and self-discovery. With mindful eating, you can enhance your physical health and bring joy and appreciation to the simple act of eating. Transforming your relationship with food through mindful eating is a journey worth embarking on. As we've seen, this practice is not just about what's on your plate. It's about tuning into your body's hunger cues, making intentional choices, and truly savoring each bite. It's about engaging all your senses to appreciate the complexity and richness of the food you consume. Remember, mindful eating doesn't require drastic changes overnight. Start small. Perhaps by creating a distraction-free environment during your meals or taking a moment to check in with yourself before you eat. Chew thoroughly and eat slowly. These small steps can lead to significant transformations in your eating habits and overall well-being. Mindful eating offers profound benefits, from improved digestion and increased satisfaction to a deeper connection with your food. It's a journey that brings joy and appreciation to the simple act of eating. So, be patient with yourself. Start small, and watch as the way you view food and eating transforms, leading to a healthier, more mindful you. We hope this journey into mindful eating has been enlightening for you. As you embark on this path, we would love to hear about your experiences. Feel free to share your thoughts and progress in the comments section below. We believe that sharing and learning from each other's experiences can make this journey more enriching for all of us. If you wish to explore more about mindful living, our channel has a plethora of videos to guide you further. We cover various aspects of mindfulness, from mindful communication to mindful exercises, and much more. If you found this video helpful, do hit the like button and share it with your friends and family. Your support motivates us to create more content that can help you lead a more mindful life. And finally, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. By subscribing, you'll get notified about our latest videos, and you'll become a part of a growing community of mindful individuals. Remember, mindful eating is a journey, not a destination. We're excited to be a part of your journey. Until next time, stay mindful and stay healthy.